Thanks for coming along today, Nick.
That's all right. Thank you for having us.
It's good to see you again.
Yeah.
It's good. Obviously, just if you don't mind, just kicking off, just for the others that are watching, where are you from, Nick, and what's your role?
I currently work for Lucas Total Contract Solutions as one of their maintenance supervisors. So,
Yep.
Yeah, been working there for about 9 years now, in about 2 months' time. So,
Very good.
similar company to this one, family-owned show. So, yeah,
Okay.
real good.
Yeah, very good. I'm curious to know, what sort of fleet do you look after?
I mainly look after our transport fleet, which is mainly all of our Volvo prime movers, Kenworth, Western Stars, Japanese, like Isuzus, Hinos,
Okay.
all of them. And then we've got a whole other branch of blokes to look after our earth moving department, which is ranges from 1.7 tonne digger all the way up to a 400 tonne digger, which we've got coming shortly. So we've got everything under the sun.
That's good. It's good. Pretty wide and varied.
yeah, pretty much everything that's made we have.
When it comes to dealing with Highgate, obviously you've worked with us for at least 4 or 5 years, probably more.
Yeah.
But how have you found dealing with Highgate?
No, it's been actually brilliant. Can't say anyone within the business have heard say anything bad about dealing with Highgate. It's straightforward. Need any questions, you guys let us know straight away, and it's easy to order. We're quite helpful with working backwards and forwards with you guys with implementing your online store. So that worked quite well. So and it's getting better and better and better. So it's been great.
It's good. It's good.
And you're nice and close to us.
Yeah. It's good. When it comes to, you mentioned online, the fleet portal, have you used that much, and how have you found that?
Yeah, I've been using it a fair bit. Obviously coming into summer now, we're going to be using it a heap more. But that's really good. Yeah. So I quite like it. It's very easy to use, which is good.
Very good.
So that's what we want. Quick ordering, get it in straight away, and it's good that all the fleet's also on there, so you can click straight on the plant that you want.
Yep.
Because we all work in plant numbers, we don't work in anything else. So straight on there, everything you need to know is on there, and it's got the lot. So it's great.
In terms of quality and reliability of the parts?
Same, if not better than OEM, really. We don't really have anything like, why did we fit that? That never happens. It gets fitted, and you come back in a couple of years' time and you go, it's still on there, or it's not like it's failing early or anything like that, which is why we keep coming back.
It's good. It's good. And how have you found delivery and service, as far as people getting back to you and the delivery network? How quick?
Delivery's real good. Obviously we've got a bit of an advantage because we're 2 k's up the road. But you order it and it's there. If it's in stock, you've got it as soon as the next run's going, and if it's overnight, it always is overnight.
Good.
It's not 3 days later overnight. So it's pretty reliable. You can pretty much count on it.
I appreciate the feedback. And based on that, we're always trying to improve. What would be one thing that we could do better?
I don't know. Can't really pick too much, to be honest. You guys have pretty well got air conditioning wrapped up in a nutshell, and you're pretty good. It's only I've only been talking to Marcos about it, but he's improving the website every day because it's new and trying to make it better. So I can't pick too much.
That's very, very kind of you. When it comes to if there was someone who's considering dealing with Highgate Air who hasn't dealt with this before, what would you say to them?
Definitely get on board with it. Definitely. I think having your fleet, if you've got a big fleet and you can bring it all into one website, and it's, you guys have gone through it and double checked everything and made sure that components are right, then it just makes your life easy. Like, who wants to sit there flicking through manuals and making phone calls backwards and forwards when you can just go on a website and your exact piece of plant is on there, and you can click on it and order the parts and they're correct. So why wouldn't you join up and get involved in it? So,
and as far as obviously you've been here for a couple of days for the training course. Have you found the course, and how do you think it'll help you moving forward?
No, I reckon it was a great course for how much we got done in the 2 days. It was really good. He was Thomas was really very clever man. He's even getting over the German language barrier. It was even really good still then. So I think it's really good. And this place is set up with anything, and anything extra he needed, he just walked out to the warehouse and grabbed it and came back out. So I think it was really good. So I think the more it happens, the more often you guys do it, it'll get better and better and better. So as always, but being the first one, it was still really good. Probably the best course I've almost been on, I reckon.
Oh, that's good.
And your guys' hospitality, no one can ever doubt that. It's really good.
It's very, very good of you, Nick. Appreciate what you've gone over, and obviously always feel free to reach out. Any feedback you think of later on.
Yep.
No, thanks again for your support.
That's all good.
Much
Thanks for having us, mate.
Thanks, Nick.
Cheers.
Cheers.